Understand how wealth is created. I like to think that if I lost all my money and you dropped me on a random street in any English speaking country, within 5 or 10 years I'd be wealthy again. Because it's just a skill set that I have developed, and I think that anyone can develop. It's not really about hard work. You can work in a restaurant 80 hours a week and you're not getting rich. Getting rich is about knowing what to do, who to do it with, and when to do it. It is much more about understanding than purely hard work. You should not grind at a lot of hard work until you figure out what you should be working on. Like, take a scenario of you studying for an exam. You study 12 hours a day without having proper plan or schedule, without proper materials, without the knowledge of syllabus. Isn't it just wasting your time? Yes, of course, hard work matters and you can't skip on it, but it has to be directed in the right way. What is the difference between wealth and money? Money is social credits. It is the ability to have credits and debits of other people's time. If I do my job right, if I create value for society, society says, "Oh, thank you, we owe you something in future for the work you did in past. Here's a little IOU. Let's call it money." Wealth is the thing you want. Wealth is assets that earn while you sleep. So my definition of wealth is much more business and assets that can earn while you sleep. The factory, the machines, the robots, the computer programs running at night, serving other customers is wealth. Technology democratizes consumption but consolidates production. The best person in the world at anything gets to do it for everyone. Because why would someone want to compromise with quality? To create wealth, understand what society needs or will need and doesn't know how to create those things. Because if it did, they wouldn't need you. You have to figure out whether you can provide it to society or not, whether it is in your skill set and within your capabilities. Then you have to figure out how to scale it. Because if you only build one, that's not enough. You've got to build thousands, hundreds of thousands, millions or billions. Steve Jobs and his team, of course, figured out society would want smartphones. Then they figured out how to build one and then how to scale it. If you fail in a single step, I don't think you can get wealthy. Now look at it this way, a laborer is working day and night and maybe harder than Elon Musk, but he's not wealthy because when he stops working, he stops earning. Talk about Elon, his machines, robots, his assets are always working for him. He's wealthy, he earns while he sleeps. Now, I hope you understood what is the difference between wealth and money. Choice is yours, whether you want to make money or make wealth.